In this video, we're going to install Let's Encrypt, which is a free SSL certificate. It can work for both Apache and Nginx, and I'm going to install this on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. And in this particular example, it's going to be using Apache 2.4. So first, we need to prepare the Python softwares that is required. The utility to install this is using Python. So this particular command will get you started on getting the prerequisite software for Python. And as you can see, when I type that, my particular system already have it installed. So I don't need to install that anymore. Next, we're going to install the certbot for Apache, and I have also already got that installed, but in your case, when you do apt get, you're probably going to install that for the Python cert Apache. You can also do Python certbot Nginx if you're going to be doing Nginx. As you can see, I actually did not have the PPA package, so I have to add the PPA package first, and then once I do that, I do an apt get update to make sure that I get the packages from the repository, and then after that I do install the certbot for Apache. And after this is done, I'm going to show you how to create or I guess activate for a particular domain. Okay, so now it's done. And this is the command to for Apache, and to specify the domain names, the top level domains that you want to get the certificate for. So my domain is passalong.tv, and once you do that, it's going to ask you for an email address. I'm just going to type in my email address, and once you're done with that, you have to agree to their terms and condition. Press A for agree, and would you like to share your email with the EEF, which is EFF, Electronic Frontier Foundation? And I said yes. And at this time, it's going to actually try to access your website to do a challenge to make sure it verifies that you are the ownership. You do have ownership control of the domain. And it automatically created a configuration file for the HTTPS, and it has the LE. LE stands for Let's Encrypt. So originally I only had number 1, which is 000 default conf. And it actually created the second one automatically, the 000 default LE SSL CONF. And it does so by copying the first one and then just adding some part of the SSL settings for the second one. Okay, so once it's automatically, once you pick number 2 on which one do you want to use for checking on the SSL verification, it immediately does a check, and then now it says congratulations, you're done, and it shows where your certificates are, and you're ready to go. Next, I'm going to show you how to renew. And the Let's Encrypt is a free perpetual SSL certificate, but you do have to renew it, I believe, every 3 months. So this is the way to do it. You just type in certbot renew, and certbot renew will attempt to do a renewal for your certificate. So I have this installed usually in my cron tab. So this is set for 59 minutes on at 2 o'clock in the afternoon every day. So every day at 2 o'clock, 2.59 is going to attempt to do a renewal for all the certificate that is installed on this particular server. Well, that pretty much concludes. Well, actually, there's one more that you need to do. In the cron tab, I forgot to show, you also need to reload your Apache or Nginx web server every time there is a possibility of a renewal of the certificate. And you simply do, for Ubuntu at least, is service Apache 2 restart, or you for Nginx you do service Nginx restart. In 16.04 or above, you do systemctl, restart Apache 2, or restart Nginx. And I'm sorry, not restart. You wouldn't want to do a reload, because you would want to just reload the configuration so it won't terminate the current sessions. Again, don't do a restart, do a reload. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. I'll have more videos about development ops or server admin, especially with Proxmox, in my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.